Good morning, students. Hope you all get your term 1 examinations result. Congratulations for that. From today, we are going to start our term 2 syllabus. Okay, from chapter 4, we will start. Chapter 4 is exponents and powers. This is new chapter for you. In 6th class also, you done powers and base. Now we will do next part of this, okay, exponent and powers. Firstly, you should know what is base. Suppose 4 raised to the power is given, power 2 is given to you. This is the power, or we can call it as exponent. Power or exponent, 2 is the power or exponent and 4 is the base. Like this, minus 5 raised to the power 3. Here also minus 5 is the base and 3 is the exponent. Now in worksheet 1, these questions are asked from you. In question number 1, write the base and exponent. Okay, here you have to tell which is base and which is exponent. Minus 1 upon 3 is the base and 3 is the exponent. You will write the answer like this, same as I have written. You will write like this. This is the exact way to write base and exponent. And second and third part you will do yourself. These are same as first part. Question number 4 is, although all the parts are same, you do that parts yourself. 15 upon 19 whole raised to the power 3. Here whatever is given within the bracket, you will write whole as base and this is the power or exponent, you can say. Okay, base is 15 upon 19 and exponent is 3. Now question number first 6 part, minus 2 upon 3 is given. This is understood that if no power is given here, then it is power 1. Okay, it should be clear to you that if no power is given, no power is mentioned here, this is understood that power is 1. Okay, here we are writing bracket whole raised power 1. Here base is whatever is given within the bracket, you will write that as base. Minus 2 upon 3 is the base and 1 is the exponent. Now rest of the parts you will do yourself. Question number 2, express in exponential form. This you already done in 6th class also. 5 upon 6 multiply 5 upon 6, it is given to you. This is 2 times, you can write it like this, 5 upon 6 whole raised power 2. Bracket should be written here. Okay, 5 upon 6 into 5 upon 6, this is 2 times, then you will write it power 2. If it is given 3 times, then write power 3. If it is given 4 times, then you will write power 4. Minus fourth part, minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, you multiply. It is given. Firstly you will count how many times it is given. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you will write it like this, equal to minus 1 upon 2 whole bracket power 5. Okay, this is the exponential form. Means in expanded form it was given, you have written this exponential form, this expanded form into exponential form. Okay, in the form of powers, in the form of exponents you have written here. 1.8 1.8 into 1.8, it is given. You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 times it is given. 1.8 multiply whole raised power 7. Okay, this 1 upon 1.4 is the base and 7 is the exponent. Rest of the parts you can do yourself. Small sums these are, you do these sums. Okay, now question number 3. Express the following as rational numbers in the form p upon q. 5 upon 6 whole raised power 3 is given. Firstly, you will write its expanded form. Okay, 5 upon 6 power exponent 3 is given. It means you will write 5 upon 6 3 times. 5 upon 6 into 5 upon 6 into 5 upon 6. Then we already know these are the rational numbers. Whenever we will multiply the rational numbers, we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, this way you will write, and 6 into 6 into 6 in this way. 5 is given 3 times, you can write it as 5 raised to the power 3, and 6 is 3 times, you can write it 6 raised to the power 3. Whenever we multiply 5 3 times, 5 into 5 into 5, then we will get the answer 125, and like this 6 into 6 into 6, we will get the answer 216. Same second part, it is given minus 12 upon 13 whole raised to the power 2. We will write it 2 times, minus 12 upon 3 into minus 12 upon 3. We know we will multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Minus 12 raised to the power 2, and in denominator we will write 13 raised to the power 2. Whenever we multiply here, minus minus plus sign will come, minus minus plus 144, 12 into 12, and whenever we multiply 13 into 13, then we will get the answer 169. Next is question number fourth part, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole raised to power 5. We will write it 5 times. Okay, minus 1 raised to the power 5 and 2 raised to the power 5. Whenever we multiply 1 by 1, then we will get the answer 1. Okay, 1 into 1 into 1, we will get the answer 1. Odd, power is odd, minus sign, then minus sign we will get, minus 1 by 32 is the answer. Okay, in this way you can do question number 1, 2 and 3 complete. Small sums these are, and already you done in 6th class also. Okay, this is all about for today. Thank you.